How to hire a contractor for your B&B without regrets. I will cover the key questions to avoid costly renovation disasters. Before we get cracking, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss an episode that could save your sanity and your wallet while running your bed and breakfast. Now let me ask you a question. Are you thinking of renovating your B&B? Fantastic! But here's the thing. A renovation can be as thrilling as a new romance until the contractor ghosts you, leaves your bathroom half-finished, and runs off with your deposit. And nobody wants to be stuck explaining to guests why there's a hole in the ceiling above the breakfast table. So today, let's talk about the 7 crucial questions you must ask any contractor before you let them anywhere near your B&B with a hammer. Trust me, this is one of those an ounce of prevention moments. And yes, I'll sprinkle in tips straight from the Mastering B&B Management course to keep you sharp. 1. Are you licensed and insured? Imagine a contractor on your property trips over a decorative duck and breaks his ankle. Without insurance, guess who might be on the hook for the medical bills? That's right, you. Always look for proof of licensing. Make sure it's valid in your region. Liability insurance. Workers' compensation coverage. One B&B owner in the Build Your B&B From Dream to Doors Open course shared how skipping this step cost them thousands after a worker injury. Lesson learned. Check those documents like your bookings depend on it, because they just might. 2. Can you provide references? A contractor who balks at giving references might as well be waving a red flag and riding a unicycle. Reliable professionals should proudly share contact information from past clients. Call at least 2 references and ask, did they show up when they said they would? Did they stick to the budget? Was the work good enough that guests didn't mistake your B&B for a haunted house? Think of references like online reviews, except you're speaking to the actual people who lived through the renovation chaos. 3. What's your timeline and how do you handle delays? I've heard of B&Bs left in the lurch because contractors vanish halfway through the job. Guests arriving to plastic sheeting and bare studs don't make 5-star reviews. Ask your contractor start and end dates, milestones along the way, how they handle delays. In the Build Your B&B From Dream to Doors Open course, we recommend building a buffer into your schedule because in renovation, Murphy's Law isn't just a theory, it's practically a trade union. 4. Can I see a detailed quote? A quote written on the back of a napkin is a no-go. You want materials cost breakdown, labor costs, payment schedule, scope of work. A B&B owner I know got burnt when a bit of painting turned into an $8,000 invoice for decorative gold leaf crown molding. Avoid surprises that drain your profits faster than free wine tastings. 5. Who will actually be doing the work? Now picture this. You hire Bob the builder. Bob shows up once, then sends in his cousin Dave, who learnt tiling on TikTok. You deserve to know who's swinging the hammer. Ask, will the contractor personally supervise? Are subcontractors involved? Can you meet with them first? In B&B life, personal touch matters. It's true for your guests, and it's true for the people working on your property. 6. Do you clean up each day? Guests don't pay for the dust and debris aesthetic. Confirm daily cleanup is part of the job. Your breakfast room shouldn't look like the set of a home makeover show in progress. In the Build Your B&B From Dream to Doors Open, we talk about preserving the guest experience even during renovations. A contractor who cleans up as they go along helps keep those 5-star reviews flowing. 7. Do you offer a warranty? No warranty? Big worry. Good contractors stand by their work. A warranty protects you if tiles crack, paint peels, a wall falls down, heaven forbid. Ask for warranties in writing. The peace of mind is worth every penny, and you and your guests will never know the drama you avoided. You dream of sunny porches and happy guests, but there's a to-do list taped to the fridge. Get your B&B Starter Blueprint download. It's how you start smart, not scrambled. Get your copy now. You can find a link in the show notes. Have you ever hired a contractor for your B&B? How did it go? And what would you do differently next time? Drop it in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Always check licenses and insurance. Demand references and call them. Confirm timeline and discuss delays. Get a detailed quote in writing. Know who's actually doing the work. Insist on daily cleanup. Ask for a warranty on all work. Hiring the right contractor can save you from headaches, unhappy guests, and budget black holes. These 7 questions aren't just boxes to tick. They're your shield against chaos. Remember, your B&B is more than bricks and mortar. It's the stage for unforgettable guest experiences. Protect it wisely.
And if you're feeling overwhelmed by the idea of renovations, staff, or running the whole show, the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course dives deeper into handling every twist and turn. Check it out. It's packed with strategies that can save your budget and your sanity. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. Next time, we'll talk about guest room layouts that could be costing you bookings, because nobody wants a wardrobe door that smacks guests in the forehead.